Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my video today. Today's video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for voting for me during the video testimonial contest. I really appreciate that very, very much. The video contest results came out just about a day ago and I want to thank you so much. So this video is all about you. So if you haven't, I'm sure you have, but if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video around here somewhere. And don't forget that notification bell. When I do videos just like this, you'll be notified when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's time to go ahead and tell you thank you for voting for me during the video contest, during the entire process. So the results came out, and I was notified that I was the winner of the best video testimonial during a contest review from one of my mentors, Misha Wilson, the Super Affiliate Network. Now, during the contest, I was thinking this. I was thinking one thing. I was thinking, how can I give value back to you? What can I say during the video testimonial that can help somebody else out? Because that's how I learned from somebody else. So when I start doing videos, I watch other people do videos. I was watching, man, this person does a really good job. She does a great job. He does a great job. Or both of them do a great job of delivering value. So I kept thinking, man, I could do that. But I had to get my mind and myself together. I had to really believe that I can. And I had to go get the right mentor and coaching to be able to go ahead and achieve those goals. So I did the video testimonial for you, mainly because I thought they could help you in terms of wherever you're at in your business, your personal life. If you got a job and you want to go ahead and earn extra money with affiliate marketing or just by doing video, email marketing, any of those norms, I thought about doing a testimonial may give you that type of value. So that's what I was thinking about when I entered that contest. But thank you for voting for me so much. It means a lot to me because I do videos every single day. And I just want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. And I want you to know about it and want you to succeed as well. The video channel is really growing each and every single day, and I want you to thank you for doing that. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the videos. If you're not part of my rewards program, I definitely want you to click on the link below to be part of the rewards program. We're growing that very, very well. And part of the rewards program is pretty much you'll get credit on the videos that you watch, and you get credit by purchasing any products I also have on during the rewards program. So I'll have information on that right below the video. All you have to do is sign up. After you sign up, you want to connect your PayPal towards your account for you can get credit when you watch the videos, when you engage in the videos. You'll earn credits throughout the process. I do have a leaderboard. I have a leaderboard now. It's called My Credits. I have a leaderboard, which is the top 10 people who watch the most videos, who earns the most credits throughout that process during the monthly, and you'll get that person, those top 10 people will get paid by just engaging to my videos, watching the videos as well. So that's something new that we started out, just reward you by watching the videos and taking action in those videos as well. Just don't watch the videos, but take action on the value that you're receiving. Take action on when I say click on the link below, go ahead and check that out because it's something that helped me. And I believe it can help you as well. So thank you very much for voting for me during the video testimonial. We did come out on top. Yes, we did win it. I have nothing to thank for you. We're growing this channel very, very much. And I want to go ahead and get this up to about 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And I believe we can do that by a lot of hard work and giving you value every single day. So thank you so much for voting for me. I can't wait to do another video tomorrow. So definitely be here. You'll be notified when I do another video. And that video will be uploaded tomorrow. I can't wait to see you guys. Can't wait to see the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe like you always do. And don't forget, underneath the link below, go ahead and sign up for the rewards program for you can go ahead and start earning credits, get rewarded by watching videos. I see you very much. I see you tomorrow, actually. Thank you so much for voting for me for the best video testimonial contest. And I'll see you in the inside. And I'll see you tomorrow as well. See you later.